ruling doesn't say anything about whether James Comey lied to Congress. That's what he was charged with. But the case was thrown out before a jury was ever even asked to decide that question. This decision says the person who filed the charges didn't have the authority to do it. Lindsey Halligan, the interim U.S. attorney for the Eastern District, filed this case. She's a former private attorney for President Trump. And remember, she was appointed September 22nd after the president removed his first appointee in the Eastern District, reportedly because that person wouldn't charge Comey or James himself. Halligan, according to court testimony, went to the grand jury all alone. It's rare, we're told, that a U.S. attorney would do this by herself, but she did. And her name is the only signature on the indictment. There it is, Lindsey Halligan. There's no other signature on the paperwork. And since the judge said she's not qualified to serve as U.S. attorney when she signed it, she's also not qualified to sign indictments. Get rid of her signature there and the whole thing goes away. We looked on the same day that Comey was indicted, September 25th. Several other people were indicted in the Eastern District as well. There was an immigration case, a firearms case, a threat to the president. Those cases all stand as of right now. Ms. Halligan's name is on all of these indictments. There you see it typed in, but the signature is from a different U.S. attorney on each of them. Someone who is legally appointed and likely has filed indictments frequently. That's the difference. It's also why this ruling is limited to Comey and New York Attorney General Letitia James, because those two indictments are the only ones that she signed only by herself. It is likely the Trump administration will appeal all of this. They have in other parts of the country dealing with similar appointments of U.S. attorneys. And a White House spokesperson said this afternoon, the facts of the indictments against Comey and James have not changed, and this will not be the final word on this matter. The ruling does not address the Comey arguments about vindictive prosecution or who on the grand jury saw the indictment itself, and they both could still be filed, although the statute of limitations on the Comey case could make that one more difficult.